Okay, I had to get off real quick. ATC gave me a, I just
Course number 3626, level 3000, heading to
real quickly, and then they changed the
340.
routing a little bit. So now,
3626 line departure, radar contact. They stop you at 3 or 4,000.
pretty much turned direct
On the view of the
Covington.
state.
You're flying out for climb view this road.
They gave me the intersection login.
Wings 3626, roger. Maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4000, the wind 3626.
Direct Logan, direct Covington. Although now he's giving me radar vectors to fly heading 110. So anyway, we've got almost a straight shot from here to Covington. Flying over the top of Atlanta's airspace. He's giving me vectors so I can cut the corner a little bit. We're down here at 7,000. I can correct that the autopilot. Probably go straight in and land runway 10. So this is
53 Hotel's got county in sight.
You're
typical.
53 Quebec approach, runway 26, left downwind, contact from County Tower, 118.3, correction 118.45. Good day.
1845, clear for the left downwind visual, runway 26, 53 Hotel.
Wings 3626, turn left heading 280.
Left turn 280, so wing 3626.
Dead on now. Typical day flying IFR.
At 68 Papa Charlie, we do 3000, 270 heading.
Georgia.
There's 68 Papa Charlie, land departure, turn right heading 280, climb
It is a
maintain
blast.
5,000,
On a flight.
navigation.
Right to 280, there's your flash.